Hello friends, welcome to our channel. It's me Vivek from Take 101. Today I'm going to tell you about how to make a simple form by using HTML. Here I have prepared a student data entry form. Okay, without any delay, let's start our video. Here, in order to make a form, you have to open Notepad and enter the course shown here. You can find this code in the description of our video too. uh, okay, let me explain you about this code. uh, Here this is HTML tag. I have already explained you about basic HTML course. You can check our video for it. This one is HTML, which shows the beginning of a HTML document, and here is it. And the header section of our web page is this. You can see the mouse cursor there. Header section is this, and here is a title, student data entry form. Here you can see student data entry form is our web page title, and then we have to close the head, and our body part starts. The body shown in this web page is body part, and here is a BG color. I have used this color for the attraction. Okay, this code is not related to our form, this one. Okay, then here is a paragraph tag uh, here, and student data entry form is like a caption, and then our form starts, form tags begin here, and form method is post. Now our forms begin with name. Here you can see name here, and here input type is equals to text. Here you can see the result. There is a text box, and you can enter your name right there. Here I'm going to enter my name, and then let's move to another. Here is the address, and input type is equals to same. Here in this box I'm going to input my address, Kipukora. Sorry. And here is a gender, but here is input type is radio. In this tag I have added only a basic radio. Radio tag means these circles. Here you can choose your gender. I have not added all the things in this code, so wait for another video. I will explain you about it clearly. And then let's move to another. Here is a class. The input type is same, a text. Here I can enter my class 12, and then let's move to faculty. We have to use a select tag, and the options are here. Select faculty, science, management, humanities, and you have to close option after writing each faculty. Here you can see science, management, humanities, like this. Here in the faculty option, in the result you can see you can choose any. I'm going to choose mine is science. And then let's move to another tag. Another one is favorite game, and here input tab is checkbox. Checkbox is this one. Here you can check favorite game. My favorite game is football, so I'm checking this one. And here is a comment section. You can write any comments. Here I'm going to write welcome to Take 101. Okay, text size is small. You can change the text size here in the code section. And here text area rows is equals to 11 and columns is equals to 44. Columns means columns. Here the box with this data is this one. You can see in the screen too. And now another one is submit button, and you can see here submit query. Input type is equals to submit, and then here we have closed form tag, body tag, and HTML tag. So that's all guys. Watch this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any confusion and any questions, please don't hesitate to comment below. Okay, and don't forget to share our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.